CMAXS. ClassNK CMAXS. Minimizing the risk of off-hire situation due to a machinery failure. The next generation solution to support every business. Collecting information from a large number of onboard sensors, CMAXS prevents problems by detecting machinery malfunctions at the earliest stages through the use of combination of the most advanced algorithm and the knowledge of highly experienced engineers. Also, with the ability to optimize machinery lifespans, a reduction may be achieved for the life cycle costs of vessels. Ships are valuable assets for their owners. However, maintaining performance and value is extremely difficult. For example, no matter how skilled an athlete may be, it is essential for them to have a manager who can regulate their physical conditioning in order to maintain their performance. And ships are not suited for making hospital visits. Therefore, CMAXS will take on the role of the family doctor, providing support to keep the ship healthy. Preventing off-hire situations will help to optimize your vital asset. CMAXS supports more than just ships. Extensive contributions are being made to reduce the burden put upon ship's crews. Recently, with focus on the importance of business efficiency and improvement of productivity, the creation of organizations which achieve maximum results in minimum time while reducing the burden on human resources has become the largest corporate theme. For this purpose, CMAXS continuously monitors machinery on behalf of the crew. Additionally, if any of the machinery were to malfunction, this will be clearly shown on the graphics display, providing a guide for a quick restoration. In emergencies, a quick response becomes possible without the need for crew members to read through thick manuals. The greatest advantage of CMAXS: various machinery, including main engine, generator, and boiler, can all be managed by a single outlet. Through an alliance between manufacturers with abundant knowledge across multiple fields, an integrated support system unlike any other has been realized.
CMAXSアライアンスには海事産業の中でも屈指のエンジンメーカー、補機メーカーが数多く参画しております。やはり一社だけではできることに限界がありますが、CMAXSは各分野で強みを持つメーカーが結集して、これまで交わることのなかったそれぞれのノウハウ、そして頭脳を融合させておりますので、世界でも類を見ない高度な統合診断プラットフォームとなっていると自負しております。
CMAXS はですね、初期だけではなくて、船内の主要な機器の診断をメーカー連合で行う仕組みになっております。ですので、機関室全体およびフリート全体を一つのシステムで一元管理することができます。ですので、システム運用コストも低く抑えることができるというメリットがあります。またこの CMAXS はですね、状態に応じた作業指示を船内で出すという高度な AI になっておりまして、さらにはですね、エンジニアのサポートも陸上から受けることができます。ですので、AI とエンジニアの両方のサポートを受けられるということで、ご導入いただいたお客様からは非常に好評をいただいております。
CMAXS is a system which continues to evolve through data, which is gathered daily as well as the updates from participating manufacturers. CMAXS for safe and precise operations, as well as the optimization of assets. The future of ship management is here.